So hello guys, welcome back to the channel to another module of the Salesforce developer series. So basically here we'll cover this module, that is data cloud use cases. So here basically we have to answer some quizzes. For the project you can check the description. Now here let's start the quiz. So basically here you have to read the module, understand it, and then try to answer the quizzes. So let's start. Also, if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So here is the first quiz. Now the second one. So both the questions are here. Now once you are done, you have to click on verify points, and then let's move to the second module. That is this one. So just click on it. And now here, just try to answer these questions. Similarly for second one also. And most importantly, now third module, we have to just read the concepts and try to answer the questions. And this is just to help you. So let's read the question. And yes, it's email and customer. Now for this, it's this. Okay, I hope you understand. Now finally we will be doing the last module and then we'll complete this. So here we are completing this module. Come to the quiz section. Try to read the question and then only answer. Similarly for the second one also. Now you can see we have completed all the modules. Now for the project work, you can check this. I have shared the detailed guide in the description with step-by-step method. That's all for today. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and just complete all the quests like this.